Hello friends, how are you? I miss you so much. Today we are going on a farm adventure. We will get to know the animals living on the farm and learn interesting facts about them. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first stop is cows. Cows are large and gentle animals. They give us milk, which is used to make delicious foods like yogurt and cheese. Cows eat grass every day, and this is how they produce milk for us. We recognize cows from their large bodies, horns, and milking udders. Sheep are next. Sheep are known for their soft wool. This wool is used to make warm sweaters and scarves for the winter. Just like cows, sheep eat grass. Let's not forget the chickens. Chickens are one of the most colorful members of the farm. They provide us with eggs, which we enjoy eating for breakfast. Roosters, male chickens, help us wake up in the morning with their crows. There are cute goats on the farm too. Goats are energetic and curious animals. They give us milk that can be used like cow's milk to make cheese. Goat's milk is very healthy and delicious. They have long horns. Finally, let's meet the horses. Horses are strong and graceful animals. They work on farms, carry heavy loads, and are also used for riding. Horses can run very fast and are very cute. There are many more animals on the farm, but that's it for now. Remember, animals are our friends, and we need to take good care of them. Every animal has an important role on the farm, and we must show them love and respect. Today, we learned about farm animals. I hope you had fun and learned something new about these cute creatures. See you next time on another adventure. Bye!